spot. That is the sweet spot. I don't know if you guys can see the torque, but I feel like my car is back alive. It feels like a refresher. I'm gonna go ahead and take a left over here so I can kind of step on the gas a little bit. All right, nice back road. So I don't know if you guys just can. Yep, that's it. Guys, what's going on YouTube? This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bringing you guys another official video. All right guys, as you can see from the title, I'm going to show you what you can do to your car in literally 2 minutes to get back all its horsepower, get back all of that torque, and maybe even feel more, literally in 2 minutes with this simple solution. Alright guys, so this is the magic recipe. As you guys can see, this is Seafoam concentrated fuel injection cleaner. It treats up to 25 gallons. You use it probably every fill up for best performance. Now, in my situation, I do not use this every fill up. I probably use this, I would say probably like once or twice a month. This is one of the secret key things that I use for my vehicle to ensure that I'm getting all of my horsepower and all the torque that's needed. See, a lot of people don't realize this, but once you get your car from the dealership, if you don't maintain it, if you don't keep it up to par, then you're not gonna ever feel what your car can truly do. So if you think that you're pushing 300 horsepower, the 211 or the 230 from the factory, you're really pushing a lot less than that. So you want to at least get the most that you can from your vehicle if you're not tuning your vehicle. And if you're tuning it, you definitely want to get the most that you possibly can. So essentially what you do with this is you put it into your fuel tank. You just simply put it into your fuel tank. Once you put it into your fuel tank, it mixes up with the fuel. So essentially what happens is it goes through the entire fueling system, right? And once it goes through the fueling system, if you note right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right under those 4 intake port slots, you have your fuel injectors. So those 4 fuel injectors will shoot inside of the chamber. And once it shoots inside of the chamber, it mixes with air, and then bam, you have your combustion, like so. All right, now once you have your combustion, that's what goes through the exhaust manifold, and it goes into the exhaust manifold. And if you're naturally aspirated, it goes straight to the back. If you're not naturally aspirated and you have a turbo, it goes from the exhaust manifold and it shoots into the turbo and it spins the turbine for the exhaust, and the other turbine goes the opposite way, and that's what pulls in the air into your engine. So what happens a lot of time over time, if you're fueling at a gas station, I can guarantee you this 100%. A lot of gas stations that you fuel at, especially if the fuel is low in that gas station and they need to get a tanker to fill it up, or if it rains, there's a certain amount of water that can get into the tank. There's a certain amount of debris that can get into it, just like with any other filtration system. So when you're fueling, even though you can maintain your car, you have to take into consideration that the fuel that you're fueling with is not 100% pure, and there's going to be debris and different things in there. So that's where this comes into play. So this essentially will keep those pathways clean and clear so that your car can get all of the fuel. And this also can prevent misfires on your car. This can prevent stalls on your car, and this also can help with wear and tear on certain parts of your car. So this simple thing right here has saved me, kept my car running strong, long. I'm over 100K miles and my car runs better than it did, in my opinion, than it was brand new. For those of you guys that are following me, you know that I put a lot into this car. I'm actually on a stage 4 custom tune from IE right now, and I'm working on a big turbo project. If you're interested in that, just go ahead and just click this link right above. So yeah, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the car, and once I put this in the car, I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple of pulls to see if I can notice a difference, or just kind of show you guys the difference that I noticed once I put this in. But yeah, you have to get this. This will help save your engine and give you that horsepower that you need. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Videos are coming right after this, so don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. And make sure you share this channel, and make sure you tune into my big turbo build and all of the other great things I got for you guys. Once again, thanks for your love and support. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace. I'm out. All right, guys, so I just put the cleaner in the car. So we're gonna just kind of press the gas a little bit and see if we got some more torque. So, and if the engine is running the way it should be. Let's check. Yep, that's it. That's the sweet spot. That is the sweet spot. I don't know if you guys can see the torque, but I feel like my car is back alive. It feels like a refresher. I'm gonna go ahead and take a left over here so I can kind of step on the gas a little bit. All right, nice back road. So I don't know if you guys just can. Yep, that's it. Guys, telling you, sometimes the smallest things that you can do to your car, the smallest things you can add, will just give you that lost power or make you feel like you just got a tune. You know, a car is a machine, just like water. You know, it needs to be filtered. So sometimes some of these parts can get old, can get dirty or clogged up, and sometimes you just got to go in there and clean it up. I mean, I got tons of videos on how to check for carbon and different things like this, and these are one of those little nuggets in one of those videos that can just give you instant power or lost power to your car. So I just really wanted to share this video with you guys to kind of let you know, hey guys, this is a simple hack that you can use versus you going to a mechanic, spending a deposit on diagnosing your car or tons of money, you know. So if you like videos like this, let me know. I do more. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Before I get out of here, I'm gonna go ahead and do one more pull for you guys. All right. Doing the pull right here is like a little. Yep. side note, look at that sky. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Let me zoom in. I don't know. That looks kind of beautiful. I might do something cinematic with this. That sky looks beautiful. Wow. God is real. Zoom in a little more. Yep. Alright, here go my spot. Just imagine when I put my big turbo in, guys. Just imagine when I put my big turbo in. My car is already a beast and moving, but just imagine when I put my big turbo in, what this car will do, what our platform will do.